Today we are going to learn all about nouns. What do you need to make a complete sentence? A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are used in sentences. There are many types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, and abstract. Nouns that are people are boy, girl, teacher, doctor. Can you think of more? Nouns that are places are school, home, store, park. Can you think of more? Nouns that are things are chair, pen, ball, clothes. Can you think of more? Quiz time. Which word is a noun? Cat or run? Which word is a noun? Jump, nurse.